Hi everyone, welcome to Recipes in Nepal. Today we are making iced Americano or iced coffee. Ingredients needed for iced coffee are cold water, coffee, sugar and ice cubes. First of all, add coffee into the blender. Followed by sugar, then add same amount of water as coffee and sugar and blend it until the mixture becomes smooth paste. Now add the remaining water in it and blend it for few seconds. Now take a glass and add few ice cubes. Finally, pour the iced coffee slowly into the glass. Your iced coffee is ready. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.